Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Alex from Alex's Innovations. It is currently almost 1 o'clock on a Sunday night, but luckily it is Thanksgiving break, which means I don't have to go to bed early. But I have been working on something that I have been alluding to for the past 6 months on my live streams and on my Instagram, and I finally finished it. 6 months ago, I thought it was going to be a good idea to start a 96 string wide bracelet, which isn't really a bracelet anymore, and I was like, well, what if I just make it? And I made it for a couple days and then I stopped and then I started again and I stopped, and the pattern was like really hard to follow because it just gave me a headache looking at it, and I couldn't really watch Netflix while doing it because like every single knot was a color switch and it was just exhausting, and I wasn't really able to do it. But I didn't end up making it all the way. The pattern was 170 rows wide and I kind of stopped it around like the 86th row mark because I was just really exhausted. But I am going to show it to you now, so countdown for this reveal. Ooh, 3, 2, 1. Here it is! This is my rendition of Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night painting. It's really wonky. If you look at it from the side, it's like really wobbly. And the back looks like absolutely gross. Kind of, I'll show some cute footage here of some close-ups, but it's like really wonky. It also like it slopes downward like this, so it's not perfect by any means, not at all. I use different thicknesses of thread, and even if I did use the same thickness of thread, I feel like it wouldn't have been the same as, like, you know, knotting. But anyway, I did take some time lapses throughout the process, and so I think I'm gonna show them just as a fun little video. Again, this painting is like supposed to be twice as long, but honestly it was gonna look weird if it was this wide and then like this long, because the actual painting is more of like these proportions. Maybe it's like here. Anyway, I'm kind of happy with how it turned out. I'm not gonna sell it on my Etsy because I feel like I would, first of all, I don't feel like anyone would buy it. I wouldn't buy it because it's really like like it's so like wonky, but it's kind of like, it's like a fabric, like it's the size of my face, like it's like face sized. I don't know how. I plan to frame it and like hang it on my wall if I can manage to get it flat enough, but like really up close it's kind of wonky. It's more like a tapestry, I guess, at this point, but like I kind of want to roll it. This feels like sacrilegious. Like I feel like it's not allowed, but I'm gonna show some time lapses and cue some cool fancy music. And again, I'm filming this kind of late. I didn't really plan this out as like a video. In my head I was always like, I'm gonna make a video on this, and then I just kind of didn't film progress. Like I did, like just did a bad thing on my TikTok, but then I deleted the TikTok app by accident, and so I lost my draft, so oops. But anyway, without further ado, here is first a fun montage of me bringing my camera over this tapestry thing and then we'll go to the time lapse. So anyway, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was more of a low-key, chilled video, but this bracelet was absolutely exhausting, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit happy it's over and done with, but you know, I'm really proud of myself for making it. Given how big it is and the types of strings that I used and that they're all different, I think it turned out pretty well. But anyway, if you like this video and you want to see more stuff like this, please like, comment, and subscribe to keep the bracelets coming, because that would be really cool and helps my channel out. But anyway, also feel free to check out my Instagram and my Etsy, where you can also support me and my bracelet making endeavors. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!